Welcome to Jayasri Kadai Katha English channel, YouTube channel, and we are going to have a very special recipe, which is a kind of calocasia, Maan Kochu with Katla Fish Bengali recipe. Before that, please like the channel and in the comment section say Jai Sri Ram, Radhe Radhe or Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. And I have taken 300 grams of Katla fish, 400 grams of Calocasia, which is Maan Kochu, and I am marinating the fish with salt and turmeric and rub it nicely with the fingers, ensuring that you don't get hurt in your finger. Little carefully you have to rub it. After that, you have to cut this calocasia or the kind of tuber basically, which is very favorite for the Bengali. You have to remove two of the rings, one type, one main and another second one. While boiling, you have to add little salt and little turmeric on the gas and boil it till it becomes soft and tender. And in the other side, I have taken a stone where I'll be grinding the ginger. Ginger has been grounded to a fine paste. And I'll check the colocasia or the tuber whether it is cooked or not. Just allow it to cook some more time till it becomes so tender. I'll fry the fish in the oil till it becomes golden. And now again I will check the colocasia with the spoon. See, the spoon has the colocasia has dropped from the spoon, means it has been cooked. And here the fish is also got nice color, so I'll remove the fish as well. I'll add some more oil, allowing it to heat up. And you can I have added cumin seeds, and it is sprinkling, it is making some noise. And added the bay leaf also, and stir fry the colocasia or the tuber along with the oil and bay leaf. I've added little salt, turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, spicy red chili powder, and saute it along. Ensure that it doesn't burn. I have added ginger paste also, a little water so that it doesn't burn. Stir fry till it becomes dry. I've added the tomato and green chili and allowing it to saute for a while. Then add hot water. Because this is lunch, I've added hot water little more because will be eating this dish with neem and eggplant along with this fish curry, special fish curry. I'm adding after water has boiled. I've added the fish, allowing it to boil for another 5 to 7 minutes, so that internal juice of the fish will come into the gravy. You can see how beautiful the gravy is looking, and this is so yummy. I've added little garam masala, and this is done. I will put into the serving dish. This would be eaten with hot steaming rice, plain rice, and I've added another variety of neem leaves cooked with eggplant, which will be eating as a sukto kind of as a bitter before starting a dish. Please like, share, subscribe my channel with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Radhe Radhe.